Every month, Epic Games releases some free assets on the Unreal Engine marketplace. In this video, I'm going to go over all the free assets they have released this October. They are only free for this month, so if you see something you like, make sure to claim it. First up, we have the Undead Pack, which comes with 5 different characters: a lich, a ghoul, a skeleton, a zombie, and an enemy goblin. In total, there are 65 animations, and some models come with multiple LODs and a modular, so you can customize the way they look. Secondly, we have the Zombie Movement and Modular Interaction Animation Pack. This asset contains 34 beautifully crafted animations, including zombie movements and interactions. Thirdly, we have the Advanced AI Spawn System, which is network replicated. This system allows you to quickly populate your world with AI. You can add any number of spawn points around your map with individual AI spawn settings. The Advanced AI Spawn System also has several optimization steps depending on the distance from the player. When you exit a set radius, the AI will become invisible. The AI movement can be turned off and will switch to waiting mode until the player character has entered its radius. Penultimately, we have the Halloween Pumpkins. This is a PBR environment package suited for AAA projects and projects with a focus on optimization and performance. In total, the asset comes with 146 meshes and 66 textures. It comes with a demo scene with a setup, lighting, and example layout of the environment. Finally, we have the 4-in-1 Modular Research Facility Mega Bundle. This package contains 4 environment packs: a modular underground environment, a modular secret base, a modular research facility, and a modular research center/exterior building. In total, this package comes with over 797 modular meshes. All the different environment packs fit together quite nicely, so you can use them together. And it says the pack comes with an advanced decal material, which you can change the parameters of. It also comes with door and light blueprint, and all the buildings in this pack are enterable. So, those are all the free assets that have been released this October. I think they're all pretty good. Are you going to claim any of them? Let me know. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!